Hi, I'm Emily from BYD in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new BYD Seal U DMI. Finished in the striking snow white, this plug-in petrol hybrid offers an electric-only range of up to 50 miles with a total combined range of 671 miles, perfect for everyday errands or those longer road trips. This vehicle stands on these stylish bi-colour 19-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. To ensure that the road ahead is fully illuminated, this vehicle is kitted with LED headlights which are automatic, as well as LED daytime running lights, complemented by the stylish LED tail lights to ensure that you are always visible to other road users. Moving now into the rear of the cabin, we have the stunning vegan leather upholstery with your green stitching here, and ISOFIX anchor points which are perfect for securing those child seats. Also a removable armrest with cup holders and a ventilation system with two Type-C USB charge ports. Moving now to the vehicle's electric tailgate with ample of room inside. All of your charging needs also come with the vehicle. Charging is super easy with this vehicle with both AC and DC charging available. It supports DC fast charging and achieves 10% to 80% charge in just 35 minutes. Moving now to the front of the cabin, the stylish look continues, that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back. We also have your panoramic sunroof there, perfect for the summer months, and your front seat is also electrically adjustable to help you find your ultimate driving position. Taking a closer look here at the multifunctional steering wheel, on the left we have your cruise control settings as well as your button to rotate the touchscreen, and on the right some of the controls for the infotainment system. When you press this button here, the 15.6-inch rotary touchscreen turns here, so you can adjust the screen to your desire. All of your driving assist settings can be adjusted via the infotainment system as well as your Infinity by Harman sound system. Your ambient lighting can also be adjusted to your desired taste. Navigation is also provided to ensure that you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, and you can explore all of the radio options available and connect your device via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto or third-party apps like Spotify to listen to your own crafted playlist. You can also connect via Bluetooth to make and receive those all-important phone calls. A 360-degree camera is also provided, making manoeuvring easier than ever. Below there we have your two USB-C charge ports to ensure devices are charged up, and moving back to the centre console, your drive mode button where you can select the mode of the vehicle depending on your journey that day. Moving back now to the centre console, we also have an armrest here for extra storage space inside. Thank you for watching this presentation on this brand new BYD Seal U DMI in snow white. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at BYD in Stoke.